So today we are making pancakes! Oh my god.
Located south of Pleasant Hill Road, the blueberry patch at the Crystal Spring Farm is only a 6-minute drive or a 10-minute bike ride from Bowdoin College. Last week we went there to pick some blueberries for our pancakes. Here's how it went.
Indigenous people and early European settlers burned these grasslands periodically to maintain rangeland and blueberry growth. And as a result, this open prairie-like habitat persisted for thousands of years in the otherwise forested northeast.
Okay, I picked all of these myself. Rebecca did not help me at all. You know, she's a professional blueberry picker, but I feel like I outdid her. Here are all the blueberries we picked. Wait, oh my god.
We're not, disclaimer, we're not chefs.
Here's our batter. Jordyn, what is your favorite building on campus?
I would say either Dunkin' Miller or the Room Center. How about you, Niña?
My favorite building on campus is wherever you are. I'm kidding. I guess it's, I don't know. What's my favorite study? I think Smith is nice to study in. The library is nice. So Jordyn's taken 9 classes in total because she took 5 classes last semester. So what is your favorite class thus far at Bowdoin?
That's a good question. Act 2, Intro to Cinema Studies with Aviva Grifo, and Intermediate Spanish 1 with Barbara Sawhill, and Introductory Chemistry 2 with Elizabeth Stemler.
Taste test.